Alright guys, so in this video here I have seen a lot of people do this fix in very sketchy, different sketchy ways. So instead of doing something sketchy that somebody else has done, I figured why not do something sketchy that nobody else has done. What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, hopefully it's a quick video if this goes right. But these guys right here, seatbelt holders, the guides, they're notorious for breaking. Both sides are broke on mine, and it drives me nuts because the seatbelt gets stuck in there, and I mean, basically, just like that. They always break at the bottom, it seems like, from what everybody says. So we're gonna fix it. Hopefully. This stuff tends to run all over, so we'll see what happens. Probably run all down my seat. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah, we'll see if it works. Probably not. Probably won't, but hey. Looks like, I don't know. Maybe nobody tried to fix it yet, I don't know. Whatever. My cover blew off going down the road apparently because I can't find it nowhere. That's a bummer. Gorilla Glue. Come on, there it is. Yummy. Isn't that good? Not even shooting the right spot, jeez. There we go. There we go, just a little bit. Because that crap is gonna drip all over my seat, I know it. But whatever. Gotta try something, right? Oh, here we go. This is not gonna be good. I already know it, don't know why I'm trying it. Gosh, come on, man. I had it like together perfect and now it won't go. Imagine that. Right there. Need like a bungee cord or something. Keep it just like that. Let me see what I got. Alright, sometimes I'm just the smartest person on earth. Or maybe the dumbest. But anyway, rope. Tied it to here to keep it down, obviously because the seat tapers up. I just shut the other end of the rope in the door to hold it down. We'll give that a little while, see what happens. I don't want to ruin the other side just because of that. So, if this doesn't work. Anyway, update now. Alright guys, so a couple week update on the seatbelt fix here. It lasted for about a week, the Gorilla Glue did. But eventually there was just too much stress on it, and the Gorilla Glue broke away. So I was on Etsy, because you can find some cool stuff for these Z3s on Etsy. And I come across these little homemade guys that somebody makes. So let's open this up, check it out. It's almost like some put together cardboard here. I'm just not supposed to get into this, I'm telling you what. There we go. Finally got in. All right, here it is, and I'm guessing these are just 3D printed, or might just take a heat gun to them. I don't know, it's weird. It just looks like some kind of ABS stock and maybe just rolled around an edge, or maybe that's the way it comes and he just cuts it in pieces. But you get two of them, and this is how they work. So this one stays pretty good, but I mean, it doesn't get used a whole lot. So slide it in just like that. Slide it up until it goes past the bottom one, and then shimmy it down. Just like that. But I'm a dummy. I didn't put that in there first. Go figure. Alright, so then we shimmy it down here. Cover up the gap. It's actually nice and snug. So I'm hoping this actually works really good. And there. So, it's supposed to keep these two together. Let's do it on that side, because that side's all busted up. Hopefully it works. And then, you know, I'll give it a week or so testing these out, just to let you guys know. You know, that one I know will be good. This one's, I mean, it's really cut up here at the bottom. So if it holds it together good, then seatbelt won't get caught in here. So we'll see. I'll put the seatbelt in. Get this guy on. Such a simple fix. Because to replace these, you have to have the seat. Take the upholstery off. The seam is down the back. And then put this in and have it, the upholstery put back on. That's a lot, man. That's a lot of, well, if you know how to do upholstery, I guess you can do it yourself, but I think most people don't. That would be my guess. Man, it looks pretty good so far. Oh man, that might be money right there. That might be money. I will post a link in the description, but Etsy.com is where I got it. All you have to do is search Z3 and these will come up. BMW Z3. But anyway, I'm gonna test them out. See you in a couple weeks. All right, guys, so it has been a couple of months. I've just been so busy, but anyway, I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing that. Anyway, I have tried these seatbelt fixes out for a while now, and these are amazing. The guy who makes these is over in the UK, I believe, but again, link in the description below, and it's on Etsy. These things are sick. I haven't had any issues. This side wasn't terrible. The other side was, but I mean, not bad enough. I'll show you. It hasn't come apart at all. Seatbelt doesn't get stuck, nothing. I mean, it's on an awkward angle, you know, you come up and then straight down, so it naturally gets stuck. But I mean, this thing works perfect. So guys, definitely money well spent. Hopefully this is the last fix that you guys will need to ever do to your Z3 poor design seatbelt retainers. Worked for me, and I mean, should work for you. Don't Gorilla Glue. Not gonna work. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Automotive content all the time, and until we meet again, later.